In this video, we'll take a look at how you can integrate your SimplyBook.me and FreshBooks accounts. This will automatically create FreshBooks invoices each time an order is completed. Let's start by navigating to the Payments menu in your SimplyBook.me account and then to the Custom Features page in SB.me. Enable FreshBooks Online and click Connect. Choose Invoice if you want an invoice and a corresponding payment to be created in FreshBooks for each order, or choose Other Income if you only want an other income payment. The Skip Zero Amount Transactions option will not send any zero-sum payments to FreshBooks. You can add a note and your terms and conditions to be included with the invoice. If you'd like to create a custom template for the email that will be sent to the client, you can do this in the Email tab. If you do not add a custom subject or email body, the default FreshBooks template will be used. Lastly, go to the Client tab to configure the client data that will be used in FreshBooks. Enable the option to use the last name from the client fields if you're using this feature. You can also customize the internal note prefix that will be added to the client's note along with the currency of the payment. Please make sure to save changes once you're done. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.